Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Mother's Day is just around the corner. Why not we make a beautiful Mother's Day card to our mothers using watercolor painting? So I just folded a A5 paper into half. I will begin by drawing a large flower on one corner. I choose red for this flower. Each petal I'm using 2 strokes to form one petal. As I wanted to draw my petals around the center of the flower, so I often rotate the paper to get the right orientation. I'm going to create another one on the adjacent corner. Using the same method, I'm drawing another one on the other side of the corner. The idea is to fill up every corner or edges of the card with flowers and plants. When the flowers are done, I start to add some leaf around the flowers. When the bigger blooms are done, add some different type of flowers or plants at the side of the bigger blooms. Now, I'm adding more details of the drawing. For example, using the ink pen to draw the vein of the leaf. More finishing touches on the flowers using white watercolor paint. Last but not least, write your own message on the card. For example, Happy Mother's Day. There, a nice beautiful Mother's Day card is now made. I hope you find this useful and please give it a try. Do let me know the outcome and your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.